Okay, so now we're going to take partial derivative of a function that has a quotient. When you see division, your go-to should be the quotient rule, but since we're doing partials, we'll treat one variable as a constant at a time. So, for example, f x, let be f x y, and then it's just going to equal x squared plus y, and then y squared plus 1. We're going to find x and y. So we're treating, okay, let's just do that. Step one, we're treating y like a constant here. So the denominator is a constant. That means we don't need to do the full quotient rule. We just differentiate the numerator like a normal function and divide. So this little squiggly things. F of x. Let's make our life just easier. This little squiggly thing like that. Whatever. It's just gonna be 2x. And then y squared plus 1. It's simple. Since the denominator doesn't change with x, we leave it all alone and just focus on the top. So step 2 is when we actually have to use finding f of y. That's just going to be more tricky since we're, uh, had to put on the quotient rule. So this is just a reminder of what the quotient rule is for us. So f g minus f y plus g squared. That's how I remember it. That doesn't look like a prime, so let me just do that. Okay, so we're gonna do u, then f, and then g. Okay, so then this is going to be x squared plus y, which is just going to turn into 1. And then y is just going to be y squared plus 1. And the derivative of it, so it's just 2. It's just 2. So we got rid of our constant, which was x. We're focusing on that right now. So now we want to plug in everything into the formula. So then it's just going to be y squared plus 1. 1 right here, minus x squared plus y, and then 2y. Remember, y squared plus 1 squared. Now, you want to simplify everything, which is kind of a pain in the butt, but you can kind of leave it like this, but I think the better thing for you to do is just simplify. So y squared plus 1 minus 2y. This is going to be 2x plus y. This is just going to be y squared minus 2y squared. So we just want to combine that. Minus 2y squared combined again. Minus 2y plus 1. So then our final answer, when we find f of x, well, this little squiggly thing of x, I don't even know. It's just going to be 2x y squared plus 1. And then when we find this little squiggly thing of y, it's just going to be 1 minus y squared minus 2y x squared under y squared plus that. And yeah, that's what we got.